We're gonna go over how to use some balance pipes. These are just some 4-inch diameter PVC pipes. You can also use ABS, which are a black plastic. I like those a lot because they're thick. These PVC pipes are actually a little thinner than I would like. You'll probably see when I get on them that they kind of compress, so you want to get the thick PVC pipes. So we can use these a variety of ways. When you're new with this, you're definitely going to want to go over to a wall and hold on to a wall, or have a long staff to help you with balance. So if you have a lot of turnout, really mobile hips, you'll start with the pipes turned out like so, and we're going to roll out and in, out and in, okay? As far as you can, trying to get onto the toes, out into the heels, in. You're gonna feel a lot of work in the groin, pelvic floor, all the way into the toes. Now, as you see, I don't have a lot of hip turnout. You're gonna see these pipes start kind of changing their angle a little bit, and that's okay. Try to keep what hip turnout you can as you go through this. Again, hold on to something for balance. You want to do a pretty high volume on this, working as big a range as you can, say about 20 to 40 reps. Then we're going to do the opposite. We're going to go turned in, pigeon toe, like so. Bring it all the way out, trying to get into the tips of the toes. Again, you'll see the angle change over time, depending on what kind of internal rotation and external rotation you have. Feel a lot of work in the hips. If your feet are really tender, this will probably hurt quite a bit. Again, feel free, absolutely use something to help you with balance. Use the wall or 1 or 2 large stabs. I want you to feel really safe doing this exercise. One other variation I'm going to show you right now is we're going to get them offset. You decide how far they're going to go, and we're going to roll one forward, one back. I like to get the upper body involved. Actually, I got that reversed. This helps a lot with balance. Try to work as big a range of motion as you can. Even weight on the front and back foot. Again, pretty high volume on that, somewhere between 20 and 30 reps, and then we're going to switch the other way. In, okay. Again, get the trunk moving. That'll help with your balance on here. Bigger range of motion as you can, all the way into the heel, all the way to the toe. Now, for a little regressed version, if you're not ready for that, we can use these cork half rolls, and just to walk our feet in and out like so. You can hold a position here, hold a position here, hold. Okay, not quite the same challenge, but we get some of the similar sensory stimulation, and you can do the same thing, kind of turned in as well, just walking the feet in and out. Again, if your balance is really challenged, absolutely hold on to something to help you with this, and we can offset them here. And just kind of move your feet around on here, all the way to the heel and all the way to the toe, and then we switch them up. Okay, so these are a great tool for a little regress version of the balance pipes.